Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to see two-sum. Two-sum is the very easiest problem in DSA. This is the number one problem in DSA. LeetCode, under the LeetCode, they are ordering. So we are going to start our video with this. So we will go through the question first. Given an array of integer num and an integer target, return index of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have either to do one prediction, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So by seeing this question, you can see, and if you are not creating the sentence, you can go through the input and output. Okay. So input, let's see, nums equal to 2, 7, 11, 15. So this is the array, and target equal to 9. So what they are asking, addition of two numbers, sum of two numbers. That is called two sum. So sum of two numbers within this array, if it is reach the target means, then we have to return the index of that array. The index of that numbers, specific number. See here, by seeing this picture, we can tell target is 9. So 2 and 7 is the only possibility. By seeing we can. But when they give any other number, our algorithm should work for that. For normal person, normally we will think brute force approach. That is the efficient approach. We have to compare one number with other number and addition of that number to target. That is brute force approach. But that will take O of n square because two times for loop we have to put. So one loop will take O of n and two times we are taking O of n square. So that is not efficient approach. At first we will see that whichever that approach will come to our mind by seeing this question. So this is brute force approach. Let's take array. This is the array, length of that array. Let's take length of the array in n. N equal to length of nums. First loop. First loop will start from zeroth index and second loop will start from the first index. So that we can make a addition for I n range of n. This will start from zeroth index to nth index. Next for j n range of I plus 1 comma n. So here it will start from 7 to 15. Now we are going to sum up two numbers. Sum of two numbers in the num set. If nums array of I plus nums array of j is equal to target. It means 2 comma 7. 2 comma 7. 0. First, very first it will go 0 and 1. First I will have 0, j will have 1. So 2 plus 7 equal to 9. Return the return array of j. So this is we got. This is the brute force approach. You see, we got output 0, comma 1. Same for this target equal to 6, 1, comma 2. Here 3 plus 2 will be 5, will not be 6. 3 plus 4 will be 7, will not be 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So here first index and second index 1, comma 2. So test case 3 plus 3, comma 6. Here again it will be a 0, comma 1. Yes, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. No other numbers are there, only two numbers are there. So it will return. But this is not a efficient approach because loop is going two times. Okay. Here there is only four numbers in the array. Let's take 100 numbers or 1000 numbers in array. That should check for the target 9. So 100 numbers it will go two times. 100 into 100, that is 10,000 times this loop will go. This is not a efficient approach. So our approach we will do, what we are going to see is, let's take this example. I have this solution already in, but let me explain before. We are going to take nums integer. We are going to store as number followed by index. That is 2. In dictionary, we are going to add this 2 followed by 0. 2 is to 1. 2 is to 0. Likewise, 7 will go in 1. Number and their respective index. 11, 2, 15, 3. Okay. In this order, we are going to add it in the dictionary. In Python, you have dictionary, but for the other programming language, you can check respectively. So I know Python, so I am going with the dictionary concept. So we are going to add this numbers in dictionary in this way. So dictionary will have like this form: 2 is 1, 7, 1, 2 is 0, 7 is 1, 11 is 2, 2, 15 to 3. So first is the number and respective index. This approach we are going to see. Okay. So now let's go into read for. I have the solution for you, but at, in the notepad I have already the solution what we are going to see. But I will explain this for in LeetCode. So let's create the dictionary. D is equal to bracket. Okay. Next. Before going to dictionary, we are going to put in for loop for I comma n in enumerate of nums. So what it will do? Enumerate of function in nums for I comma n. Index will sit in the I and number will sit in N. So in dictionary, we are going to check. So in beforehand, dictionary will be empty. So whenever if the number is already exist, very first two sum, because we two sum. First two number, if it is, for example, 2 comma 7. Okay. 2 comma 7 is 0 comma 1. Here there is no problem, it will return 0. But in this example, we see 3 comma 2 is not target of 6, it will not reach target 6. So it will reach 2 comma 4 only. So in this case, dictionary will not have, initially dictionary will be empty. Okay. Empty means, let's take, for example, let's explain. For I comma n, if target minus n, so here n is nothing but 2. Target minus n means target is 9 minus 2 in dictionary. We'll check dictionary. In dictionary means then in T. The return target minus n then B return an array D array of target minus n comma I. I will put the code. Okay. Because I forgot the code, I put the code here. Area of target minus n comma I. Area of n equal to I. So this will return if target minus n, that is 9 minus 2 equal to 7. It will check. It will not be there in dictionary. So it will write this 2 into dictionary like what we see here. 2 is to 0 will be added in the dictionary first. So the array of I will be have in index, that is 0. So 2 will be added as a key and 0 will be added as a value. 0 is the value, 2 is the key. Next, the loop will go, there is no target. Next loop will go 7. Target minus 7 is 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 is already there. So we have found the two sum. So we are writing that 0 comma 1. So in this case, 3 comma 2 comma 4, target equal to 6. Here you see 1 comma 2. Target minus n is 6 minus 3 is 3. So it will not, initially it will add target minus 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So 3 is found, then it will add 1 in the in this case. 3 will be added. But sorry, I'm not getting this. Target minus n is d. D it will not have in d. So it will not in d. So it will add 3. 3 is to 0 will be added first in this case. 3 is to 0. Next, target minus n is minus 2. 4 is there. Yes, it is there. Then it will write 4 is there. Write the area of target minus n. Will add 1 comma 2. I will have index 2 when it reach fourth element. Okay, I am stopping here. Thank you all. So this is the efficient approach O of n.